Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video I will be showing you some other things you need to know about WordPress before releasing my video on podcast. If you are new to this channel, make sure you watch this video to the end. In this channel I talk about okay guys, hope you really watch my intro video, and in today's video I will be going a little bit detail on how to use a local offline WordPress app called Bitnami. So in my last video I'll show you how to change a theme. In today's video I'll be showing you what you need to know about plugins, how to edit your footer menu and so forth. So let's over to our browser, and then I will need to type localhost.wordpress.com and then click on enter, and then we are going to wait for it to finish loading, and then you need to enter your username or your email or the password you use, and probably you can click on remember me and then you click on login. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, share this video so that you get a lot of view. Now in my last video we can actually see the website here we try to create. Let me open in a new tab and wait for it to finish loading. So you can see from here I was able to create and show you how to create this menu. Add a menu, added podcast and podcast 2 here as a menu. I changed the background color, but today I want to remove the background color. I will be showing you how to do that. So you hover on to customize and wait for it to finish loading. So you can see that our background here and the post we release. So let's wait for. So all we need to do is go over to color, and then we can choose either custom color or default color. And then the next thing I need to show you is this, but let's remove the background color. So you click on this place that says background color, so you click on it, and let's say you do not want any color, you just click on default. So when you click on default you actually see that there's no background color. And guys, it's very important, depending on the kind of website you are creating, for you not to have any background color, so that people will be able to read your blog post easily. So you can see that this is quite different and very easy to read, so there's no color there. So you see how you can remove your background color. That's the first thing I want to show you in today's tutorial, because some of you will be wondering how you can remove the background color in case you don't want a background color. So if you've not watched my first video, I will put the link in this video description so that you get to watch it. So remember that I said each time you change anything, make sure you click on publish. Okay, now I was talking about the fact that there are certain important things you need to know when you are creating a WordPress website. So you need to be sure that the website you are creating will be good on desktop mode and good on tablet mode and good on phone. And you know, most people use their phone to browse. So if peradventure your website is good on tablet but it may not actually be good on phone, so we are going to click on this side down here. You can actually see that it's on desktop, so we click on tablet to see this is how your blog post is going to look on tablet. This is how your menu is going to look like, and someone needs to click on this menu to be able to see them. So you have to come down and see how your blog post will look like on tablet. So looking at this, I feel it's okay and beautiful, but let's see how it will look like on mobile. So this is how your blog post is going to look like on mobile. So you click on this menu, also you will see the drop down, and then you can click on it to go to whichever link you want to go to. So let's go down and see how the blog post looks like. So you see that the blog post fits well in this. So guys, if you want to actually change anything, you can click on this pencil icon here, and then you will be able to change it. So I don't want to actually change anything. So that is how to check your mobile your website responsiveness to see if site is responsive or not. So let's move over to another section I didn't cover. Let's say for instance you want to add a tagline to your website. Let's say this is it. Let's click and write breakthrough zone. Say the breakthrough zone, and let's see how it looks like, how the tagline looks like. So you can see it by the side of the logo here, the breakthrough zone. But since the website name is in your word, so you need to click and write, in your journey, not word. So let's write journey. So let's put it here in the tagline, in your journey. So copy it and paste. So you can see now that it is showing. So you can see, so if eventually you want to change the logo, you can just click on this pencil icon, or you can come to this change logo here and you will be able to. Let's say for instance you want your logo to be retina, you just click on this icon and then your logo will be retina. Let's say you want to put your own image here where you actually see my picture. It is called favicon. So you see from here, you can see from the top side, you are seeing my picture. Most times you log in website and you see the people putting their logo there. It is called favicon. So what you need to do is hover down to your customization and click on your site identity, and then you come down to here and then click on change image. When I decide to change this image, let's say I want to put her picture here, so I click on select, and then I can, you see how it will look like here, and then you click on, you can crop the image, and then you actually see that the logo has changed. It's no longer my picture again. And if I didn't save it and I go over to this place and click on visit website, you'll see that it didn't change. My logo is still showing here. But let's say for instance I'm through, I'll click on publish and I hover to this place and click on refresh. You now see that the picture have changed. That is because I have published my work. So whatever changes you make sure you publish it. So I just need to change it back to my image, and all I need to do is click on publish. So when I come here and refresh, you're going to see it has changed back to my, so I need to go back to dashboard. So let me show you how to add a plugin. So a plugin is something that helps your team to function well. Let's say for instance you want to add a plugin about something. Let's say you want to add a new plugin, or you want to view all the install plugins. So you come here to install plugins, and then you will see all the plugins that are working on your WordPress website. So when you come to plugin, come to install plugin, so you can see that we have Schema, anti-spam, you have all-in-one SEO, you have all-in-one WP migration, AMP, Google Analytics for WordPress, and then you have Hello Dolly, Jetpack, and so forth. But let's say you want to add a new plugin, so you come over to this place, add new, or you come to this place, plugin, and then you see add new. So you come to plugin here, and then you come to plugin here, and then you can search for any plugin. Because you're operating on a free version, you will not be able to add any plugin. So let's try to see, we are searching for really simple. So you see that you will not be able to search for any plugin. So if you come to this place, you click on upload plugin. So you, for instance, you want to upload your plugin. This is because we are not online, so my laptop is not connected to online. So when you are using localhost www.wordpress.admin. When you log in on your local host, you are not using data to do anything. But if peradventure I want to use data, I can connect you can see from this place that my data, nothing is connected, no connection available. So you can see that no connections are available here. So because I'm not connected to internet, so if I connect it to internet now, you are going to see if I'm able to add a plugin. So guys, wait for me to connect this to the internet. So let's come over here and let's wait for it to come, and let's click on connect. Okay, now guys, I'm connected to the internet. Let me try to refresh. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please do ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. It motivates me to create new content. Now you can see that although you are using the free version without your domain or anything, you can be able to add plugin. Now when I was not connected to the internet, you actually saw that this plugin was not showing. So I can just, for you to come and install any plugin, if you have the plugin downloaded on your system, you click on upload plugin here, and then go to where you save your plugin and then upload it. But if for adventure you want to search, you can search for, let me see, really simple podcast. So let's wait and see. Okay, let me just type out. Let me say podcast. Let's wait for it to load. Let me refresh it. Okay, let me log in. Okay guys, I have logged in now. Because I type log podcast, you can actually see here that we have podcast player for podcasting companion. You have podcast subscribe buttons here. So if for instance you want to install your podcast subscribe button, you can click on this, please. So you can click on it and install it. So all you need to do is click on install now. So when you click on install now, you wait for it to finish loading, and then when you wait for it to finish installing, and then you will activate it. But guys, I don't want to install it, or how to install a plugin. And then you can see, because I'm connected to the internet, when you see view, let's wait for it to finish loading. So when you come over here, this is how to update your plugin. Let's say for instance your plugin has a new version, so you can see from here Askimate, you have a new version of it. You click on update now. So all you just need to do is click on update now. So when you click on update now, that plugin will be updated. So guys, I have disconnected my internet and want to show you some other things. Now let's say we are coming to appearance, and then we come to theme. Let's say we want to change the theme to 2022 theme, and then we'll see how the interface is going to look like, and then we'll click on activate. Now remember that this is the face of how this is how the website looks like. Now you can see that 2022 theme is activated, but this is how you now see that the website and everything looks different from the other one. So you can see that every theme have its own feel, how people can view it and see it. So you can see, and then you can see how it looks like. So guys, what else do I need to show you here on WordPress? And you can come to user here and come to all users. You can add new users, you can add a profile, you can still come to your setting and can come to writing. Let's say you want to check your default post category, you can change it to positive thinking. Your default post format, you can put it on standard, you can put it aside, you can put it on chart and so forth, but it's important to leave it on standard. You can see your mail server, you can see it here, and you can also change your login name and your password here. And don't forget that at the end you click on save changes. Reading here, and then you see your latest post. You can put it on latest post. That means whenever you publish a new post, it will be showing, and you can put it on a static post, and then you select the post you want it to be. Let's say I want it to be on blog, so whenever you visit the website, it's going to show on blog post page. So put it on blog, and then blog pages show at once. So how many blog pages do you want it to show at once? So at least I want 5. So I can click on 5, and syndication feed show the most recent, so I can still put 5 here to show the most recent post. Do you want it to be a full text or an excerpt? So if, for instance, for the website you can see that it's a full text, let's go over to post and look at all posts. Let's visit all posts, and then you can see let the best be your beginning. So you can come to view post and click on open in a new tab. Now you can see the post, you can see how it looks like, you can see the whole post. Do you want the whole post to show, or you just want an excerpt of the post to show, so that people can click on it and then read? So all I need to do is let's put it on excerpt, and then let's save changes, and then you will see how it will look like. So you come over here and then refresh. Make sure that when you effect any change and you are in a new browser, make sure you refresh it. So okay, let's see the effect did not change. Okay, let's put it on podcast and then click on save. Okay, that was because this home page and this post page were the same. So let's refresh it and see. So when you are going to view this post, not on this place, you are going to see how it looks like. It's going to be an excerpt and not a full text. Okay, for each text, you can see for each post in a feed include, so for the post in a feed is going to include just the excerpt and not the full text. So when you are viewing it in a feed, it's going to show you an excerpt. So you move over to discussion, and then you can choose whatever you want to click. Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. You can click on it. You can click on whichever one. Make sure you read through them, and don't forget to save changes. So let's go to media. You click on media, and then you can come to the thumbnail size, the width. You can click on it, the maximum, change whatever you want to change, and then click on save. And then go to permalinks. I've explained permalinks in the other video, so let's move over to privacy. Now remember that if you do not have a privacy policy on terms and conditions of a blog or website, you will not be able to monetize it. So this is your privacy. So you can create a new privacy. So you can just click on create, and then you are able to create a new privacy policy. So you can use this, so you can see your privacy policy. You can see it here and you can edit it. So let's say I want to edit this. Expire, let me say it expires after 3 days. So you can edit it 3 days and click on publish. And then you can view your post here, or you can come down here and view posts in a new tab. So guys, you can see that your privacy policy has been generated. So we are through with setting, we are through with tools, we are through with user, we are through with blogging, and we are through with appearance. You can come over to comment, and then you will see whoever has commented here. You can reply the comment, you can edit it, you can put it to make it as a spam, you can trash it. So let's say for instance you want to delete a comment. You can come to this place, this box here, close auto, and click on it. Come to this bulk action here. You can unapprove them, you can approve all, you can mark all of them as spam, and then you can move them to trash. So you can just click on it and then apply. So when I apply this, nothing is going to show, but I don't want to. So your pages here, you can see all pages, you can add new pages. Your media here, you can see your library, you can see all the things you've uploaded here, and you can add new image or library. You can come to posts, you can see all posts, you can add new posts, you can see the categories, and yeah, you can see the tags. And then your dashboard, where you have your home, you can update the website time to time. So there are things you can actually do at this back end here, and there are things you can do on this side of your website. And when you click on edit site, you can come to this same place and then edit other aspect of your website. So guys, and you can come to this place here, where you can see your edit profile. You can log out from your WordPress and so forth. So you can come to this help here, and where you can see attachment details, you can see documentation on media, library, support. So if there's anything you are encountering that you need a support, so you can click on it, and then they are going to reply you. So this is all you need to know about WordPress. These are the major things you need to know about WordPress. So after releasing my video on podcast, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your email marketing with WordPress, where you'll be able to be sending your emails to people who visit your WordPress. So guys, if you are new to this channel, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, because in this 2 video tutorial I've been able to explain everything about WordPress to you. So thank you for watching. Remain blessed till I release another video again on Monday. Thank you.